Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to view draft mail in Gmail, and now let's dive right in. Now to view your draft mail in your Gmail, first open up your Gmail app on your phone. And after opening your Gmail app, guys, on this interface at the top left corner of the screen, you can see there's a three line icon available for us. Tap on the three line icon at the top left corner of the screen, where you can see the drafts option available for us. At the bottom of this tab, you can just above the all mail, and let's tap on the drafts button over here, and all of the mails which you have drafted on your Gmail will be available for us over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how to view your draft emails on your Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.